Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create completion percentage in a nice way. So if you are in progress or completed or not started, this has to be changed accordingly. So let's start. Highlight and go to home and then conditional format and new role. And then here in the new role, you will go to data bar and then change automatic to number and start with 0 and change the other automatic with number and change it to 1 and then change the color. Let's say you want it to be, as an example, green. Okay, so now you can see here if you click 60 it will change, 100, 0 it's not started, 60, let's say 30 it will go. You can enhance this view by go to column scale and data bar and then change whatever you want from these ones. As an example, data bar, I will change the yellow one, so you can change it. Or as an example, highlight again, conditional data bar and change this. If you change 0 to 10, it will change accordingly. Thank you very much.